Are you looking for a way to make some extra money? Now, you can easily get instant cash with just a few clicks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free app that pays you instantly and get your hands on quick and free cash without any hassle. Stop wasting time and learn how to maximize your earnings today. Just watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Ready to start making cash from home? Discover this free app that pays you instantly and puts extra monthly money in your pocket. Get started now. With Moneymaker app. Moneymaker is a GPT app that pays you to do quick tasks. This is a legit app since you will in fact get compensation for doing the tasks. You may make the most money with Moneymaker by completing offers on its offer walls. Offer walls are an in-app advertising platform that promotes other apps and websites in exchange for monetary incentives. These paid offers are simply opportunities to do quick tasks in exchange for a reward. Choose an offer wall to work on and click on it to begin earning. The whole set of instructions will then be shown to you. It is imperative that you read and comprehend all of the instructions, as failure to do so may result in your ineligibility to finish the offer and get the reward. After the offer has been fully completed, the promised incentive will be sent to you in the form of tokens. Moneymaker also offers paid surveys. The app offers surveys using survey networks. Surveys vary by location. Some nations have numerous surveys, others none. Before answering a survey, you must qualify. This helps survey providers determine your demography. Answer the survey after qualifying. If not, go to the next survey. You'll get tokens after the survey. Paid surveys pay more than most offer walls. Because of its higher rewards, consider this. Surveys usually take 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, you may earn rewards by watching video ads. Getting this option is not difficult at all. A simple tap on the app's Watch Videos button is all that's required. After that, an ad video will play. After you reach the threshold of 5,000 tokens, you may cash out $1 through PayPal. The first time you cash out, you'll be required to withdraw at least $1. To withdraw funds again, though, you'll need at least 10,000 tokens, or $2. If you like this video and found it helpful, please hit thumbs up, comment saying, "I like it," and share it. For more videos like this, please subscribe and turn on notifications bell.